Hello everyone. Today in this video you will learn how to use VLOOKUP formula. The reason why I'm making a separate video on VLOOKUP is because it may happen that when you extract a report from SAP, then it may not contain all the information which you require. For example, if I extract a report from MB5P, then it will not have the posting date or value. If in case I selected the batch stock or storage location option, and even if I selected the valued stock option in MB5B, then it will give me value but not the posting date. And also if I use the MB52 T code, then it will also be giving me the value but not the posting date. My requirement is to have the posting date and value, which I can extract from MB51. So in this example, I have extracted both the tables from MB5P and MB51 and I have converted them into spreadsheet. Now my job is to extract the information from MB51 and to contain it into MB5B table. So first of all, I am going to add a column, for which I will select the whole column and I will press Ctrl+Shift+ to add a column. Then I will write here posting date and I'll write the formula is equals to VLOOKUP. I'll use batch number. The reason why I'm using batch number is because batch number is common in both the tables and it is unique. Then I'm going to go on to the next table. I'm going to select the whole table and then I'll press F4. Then whichever information I require, I have to see the column number at which it is appearing into the next table. Like I require posting date, so posting date is in the second column of MB51. So I'll write here as 2 and then I will write here as false and close the bracket, and then I'll copy paste the formula in all the below rows. I can also change the date format by using shortcut key Alt+H+FM. I'll go to date and I'll change the date format. Remember one thing. Now I'll use the batch number to obtain the information from the another table. So it is important that the batch number in the another table should also be in the first column. If for example I would have used material number to extract information from the another table, then material number should be the first column. So you can alter or you can drag material column into the first column of the table. This is how VLOOKUP formula will only work. Otherwise it will not give you the result. Now one more. Now I want the amount. So again what I'm going to do is I will select the column. I will press Ctrl+Shift+. I'll write here as value. I'll write is equals to VLOOKUP. I'll select batch number. I'll go on to the next table. Select the whole table. Press F4 in order to lock the table. Amount or value is in the 10th column, so I will write here as 10 and use false and close the bracket and copy paste the formula, and here I will have to change the format. I'll go to general and here I can also convert it into numbers as per my requirement. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.